Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our YouTube channel TechUp. In this video, we will learn on how to log into your American Military University. So let's get started. First, open any browser that you like. Then in the search bar, type in AMU, log in, then hit enter. Then tap on the website having URL as amu.apus.edu. In my case, it's the second one. Then to log into your account, tap on the login button which is on the top right of your screen. And here you need to provide your username and your password to log into your account. So go ahead and type your username in the text field given for username. Then type your password in the text field given for password. You can reset your password or username if you have forgotten it by tapping on the text, forgot username or password. Now to log into your account, all you gotta do is tap on the login button and you will be successfully logged in if you got your credentials correct. And guys, that was it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, consider liking this video and subscribe to our channel. Feel free to drop any of your questions in the comment section below. I'll get right back to you.